There is a way of creating channels that are totally private between the owner of a team and another person. So a use case for this might be if you have lots of complicated coursework drafts that involve more than one file, which means it's more difficult to administer in OneNote or assignments. Or it could be that you're sharing a group of files with that person for them to edit, and therefore you need a channel. Private channels, of which you can have 30 in any team, that's an absolute upper limit, they can't even be seen by people who aren't in them. So I'll show you how to add them. So here's my A-level music class, and let's say that I was going to click the ellipsis and add a channel, and I'm going to call it John Smith Coursework. And then under privacy, you change it to private. When you created the team, it invites you to add students and teachers, just as it would with, when you created the channel, it invites you to add students and teachers, just as it would with any other team or channel. I'm going to click skip for now, and you can see this now says John Smith Coursework. Now actually, anybody else who logs in to here can't see this. So other use cases might be if you have your tutor group and you want to keep your tutor documents that you're sent by the assistant head and relating to PSHE separate, you can actually create an admin channel for yourself that the pupils can't see. I do the same in the music department. In the music department team, I have a separate admin channel for myself. The advantage of this being that at some point, possibly I won't be the director of music anymore, which means I'll need to hand over some of that admin that only pertains to the head of department to somebody else, and I will just invite them at that point to that channel.